Many cars have a clutch switch as a safety system that prevents you from starting the car while it's in gear and stopping the vehicle from moving uncontrollably. When the system works properly, the car cannot be started unless you press the clutch. In the case of this Nissan Z300, the switch doesn't work at all, so the car cannot be started. The switch is mounted on a metal bracket directly below the clutch pedal. We'll spray a bit of penetrating oil and remove the connector from the switch. In this case, the wrench size is 14, and now we'll loosen the nut on the underside of the bracket. We loosen the nut a few turns, then unscrew the entire switch. The previous owner tried to fix the problem with tape, which we'll remove. We bought a new switch because the old one is unusable. Here's how the switch works. First, you screw in the entire switch to a certain point so that the clutch lever presses this black part slightly more than halfway. After that, you secure the switch in that position with the nut. Now we'll reinstall the switch. We'll check that the clutch lever interrupts the switch properly, but doesn't press it all the way in. Once we're sure everything is fine, we tighten the switch completely. We check once more and then reconnect the connector. Test run, and success. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Cheers!